Good evening, everybody. Hope everyone's okay. I'm okay, thank you. I bought myself an X5 while the other motor's on the ramp. Quite upset, to be fair, guys. 64 plate car. When I bought it, I had to service it, and then after that it had a safety recall on the gas exhaust recirculation, and then after that I broke down. The RAC people came to assist me, and it was the diesel particulate filter. So I paid £180 to have that cleaned, and then there was fault after fault, guys. 64 plate car. I was so upset. So we had the diesel particulate filter, and then it was the AdBlue pipe, and then it was the manifold swirl flaps motor, and then the oil pipes are all buggered, and the twin turbo is buggered as well, and the engine's full of carbon. So I've had no car, so I had to go out and buy this one to run around in. But I quite like her, to be fair. She's nice. I have serviced her the other day, so she's got all new filters on. She did have a transmission fluid change, but the garage that done it used sealant. He didn't use a gasket. So my mechanic who serviced the car obviously spotted it and stated, yeah, so obviously that's getting done. And it needs brake pipes and 2 calipers. But apart from that, this motor for a 15-year-old car is driving much better than the 64 plate. To be honest, I'm quite shocked. This is my 4th X5 now. I've had the 03 plate petrol sports, and then I had the 11 plate diesel sports, and then my lovely 2.5 rare model X5 and 64 plate, and now this beautiful 06 plate. Yeah, I like it. There's no slugginess really. There is a little problem with the transmission, and that's why I've done the gearbox change. But it may be me jumping from a new car to an old car, I'm not sure. But my garage mechanic, he told me, don't, stick with this now, don't buy any other cars. But yeah, I do like my motors, to be fair. So this X5, guys, is quite nice. Yeah, I'm loving it. At the moment, I'm quite disappointed with my other motor. Yeah, like I said, she's still on the ramp, guys. It's been on the ramp since the 9th of November. The diesel particulate filter's been done, the AdBlue pipe's been done, and the manifold's been done. But unfortunately, because the engine's got carbon, it's no point doing the turbos until the engine's sorted, and I don't believe I should do it because it should be under warranty. But hey, we'll see what happens with that. It seems to be taking a long time. That's why I was forced to buy this motor. One can't be stranded. But ladies, I've got something to say. Even men as well. If you want a motor for just going around the town or dropping the kids to school, do not buy a diesel motor with a diesel particulate filter. The vehicle will not be any good if you do not blast it on the motorways once a week. Unfortunately, you will lose a lot of money in repairs and taxes. So just saying, guys, I consider, if you're only going around the town and the school run, please, I'm just saying from experience, it's no good you're paying 30, 40, 50 grand for a car, and the parts ain't going to be covered under warranty, and the dealerships won't disclose anything about the diesel particulate filter to you guys. You will have to ask these people these questions. They may get arsy with you and may not disclose it because they want a sales. But ask. Don't be scared to ask. It's your money. So I don't know, guys. Give you the advice that I know. Do not buy a diesel particulate filter. It's no good, them cars. One thing will just go after another. Stick to the old motors. They're built to last. If you service it, it'll be fine. You know? Keep the money for something special. Don't give it to those companies. So guys, I'm going to pop into Asda. I'm going to wish you all a nice evening, and I'll speak to you all soon. Thank you. Take care. Good night. Bye.